वेलकम टू ऑल टू फंडामेंटल हाउ। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक ट्रिगोनोमेट्री टेबल के बारे में। ये क्या होता है एक ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक टेबल? दिस इज अ टेबल व्हिच इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अ चाइल्ड टू रिमेंबर। ओके, वी हैव 6 trigonometry functions like sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. This much that I have described in my previous video. If you want to see it, then you can go to my channels and you can find that video. This is very informative video. See here what happened. As we know that table is very difficult thing to remember for a child, and at the time of exam this also again forgot. Okay, so how can we remember table within the 2 to 5 minutes? Okay, there is no short trick in life. You have to first understand the basic concept of that event, then you can go for the shortcut and you can find the shortcut by yourself. Okay, see here what happens. We know that this is the 6 trigonometric ratios, and genuinely we are you have to remember the value of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, this much. Okay, how to remember this one? Before going to this one, you have to remember that some trigonometric formula, that as sin theta is equal to your 1 by cosec theta. You can check it from my previous videos. Okay, cos theta, this is very informative, is equal to 1 by sec theta, and tan theta is equal to your 1 by cot theta. You can find it the reverse of that. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. This is the first informative video or first formula. Then there is another formula. See here, there is another formula. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to your cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to your sin theta. In that way, tan 90 minus theta is equal to your cot theta, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to your tan theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to your cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta is equal to your sec theta. These formulas are very much important, okay, to remember the table easily. Okay, there is another short trick, but this is the fundamental behind it. That behind that short trick, this is the fundamental. Okay, see here, we have to draw a table of that trigonometry. See here, this is okay. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, then this will be a 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, this much. Okay, see here, this is your trigonometric ratios. This is your we can say that the angle in degree and also in radian format. I don't know whether you know the radian or not, but this is also very much important in your +2 career. Okay, see here, this is a trigonometry. We have to first write the sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. First write it. Then this is 0 degree, this is 30 degree, this is 45 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 90 degree. Okay, I told you previously that you can remember this formula in 2 minutes. See here how it will happen. There is this is the basic fundamental behind it, but you don't have to remember all the. If you want to remember, you have to remember for the mathematical calculation, but this is not required in that chapter. This only required. See here, we know that sine, you have to remember this 9 all finally, then you can do anything. Sine 0 as 0, cos 0 as 1, and tan 0 as 0, this much. Sin 30 as your 1 by 2, cos 30 as your root 3 by 2, and tan 30 is a 1 by root 3. Then sin 45 is your 1, cos 45 is sin 45 is your 1 by root 2, cos 45 is your 1 by root 2, and tan 45 is your 1. Okay, just this is the thing, nothing. You have to remember this one. This is more, this you have to remember. There is no short trick for remember this one. Okay, then you have to apply the formula. You know that sine is related with the cosec. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. That means sin 0 is equal to 1 by cosec 0. So here is the 0. Then cosec 0 should be 0 means 0 by something. 0 means 0 by something like 0 by 5, which is equal to 5 by 0, which is equal to infinity. So this is the elaborations of cosec 0, which is infinity. Then comes to cos. Cos is 1. So cos is the reverse of sec. So as cos is 1, sec is equal to 1 means 1 by 1. Sec is also 1. And as tan is equal to 0, then cot should be infinity by that formula. 0 by 5 is equal to 5 by 0, which is equal to infinity. Okay, this much. Then comes to next. I again tell you that this 9 you have to remember. There is no short trick. You have to remember this 9, all that fill up by this formula. See here, cot theta completed. Then comes to 30. How that 30? You know again, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So cosec 30 should be 2 by 1. That means 2. As cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2, sec 30 should be your 2 by root 3. Because this is the reverse. Okay, from that formula. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, so cot 30 should be root 3 by 1 is equal to root 3. Okay, very easy. By this formula and this formula we can easily derive this thing. This is only the concept. Then see here, as sin 45 1 by root 2, this is the reverse. This is a root 2, only root 2 by 1 is equal to root 2. As cos is equal to 1 by root 2, sec is equal to only root 2. And as tan 45 is equal to 1, then cot 45 should be 1 by 1, that means 1. Simple. Then this is the reverse way to represent that thing. Now we have to come for that is 60 and 90. There is nothing. First line also not present. So how can we define this line? Here is some formula. Sin 90 minus theta. First, this is not the short trick. I will give the short tricks. This is the basic fundamental behind it. That's why I told you. Sin 90 minus theta. If you go plus that 60, then 60 plus 30 is equal to 90, you know. You have to add them. Short trick is sin and cos are related, tan and cot are related, sec and cosec. Sin 30 plus is equal sin 30 and cos 60 is related. Sin 30 is equal to cos 60. Cos 30 is equal to sin 60. Okay, simple. Nothing. You have to crisscross, because remember always 30 plus 60 is equal to 90. This you have to remember. Answer should be 90. Any formula you have to answer should be 90. Then tan cot, how that related? See here, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So cot 60 should be your 1 by root 3. Reverse. As cot 30 is equal to root 3, then tan 60 should be your root 3. Reverse, only reverse. Sec 30 is equal to, in that way, cosec 60, and cosec 30 is equal to your sec 60. Okay, this much. Then comes to 90. At that time 90 means 90 is related to 0. How? 0 plus 90 is equal to 90. That's why. Okay, that means 90 and 0 related, 30 and 60 related, sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, in that way related. And sin is reverse of cosec, cos is reverse of sec, and tan is reverse of sec. You have to remember this one. This is very easy to remember. Nothing to worry. See here. As 0, as sin 0, that means cos 90. Cos 0, sin 90. Okay. Then tan 0, cot 90. And cot 0, tan 90. Simple. Sec 0, cosec 90. And cosec 0, sec 90. this is, so nothing to do. You have to remember these three formula. By these three formula, as you know, sine is the reverse of cosec, then you can easily put the reverse of that formula, then you can find these 6. After finding these 6, you have to remember this formula. Nothing to remember this formula, but you have to easily remember that. You have to just remind it. Sine cos are two brothers, tan cos two brothers, sec cosec are two brothers. In that way. So sine 0 is equal to cos 90. Cos 0 is equal to sine 90. How? Because only remember 30 plus 69. The addition should be 90. Addition should be 90. This is the short trick. So you have to remember this one by 2 minutes. After 2 to 5 minutes, after remembering these two as these at 5 minutes, then you can easily form the table, trigonometry table, which is a hard work for a children. Okay, and see here, just I have to tell this formula because this is related to this formula, so I have to tell that one. So always sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. See here how it implement in that table. Sine 90 minus theta, that means if we take as theta as 30, if we take theta as 30, then sine 90 minus 30 is equal to cos 60. For example, if we take theta as 30, see here, this is a small example, theta as 30, then this part should be sine 90 minus theta, that means 90 minus theta means 30 is equal to cos theta. Cos theta means 30, because we have to put theta in both of the part 30 in both of the theta. Sine 90 minus 30 is equal to sine 60, and that means sine 60 is equal to your cos 30, which is implemented. Sine 60 is equal to cos 30. Okay, there is no short trick in life, there is no short trick in mathematics. So you have to first remember the main or vital thing, then you have to, or basic concept, then you can do. Everything is related with, you can put any formula. If you go to cot, let's sec 90 minus theta, how? If you take this one as 60, sec 90 minus 60, sec 90 minus 60 is equal to sec 30. Sec 30, see your value is sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3. So cosec, here is 60 because you take the theta 60, so which is equal to cosec 60, sec 30, cosec 60. Simple. No short trick. You have to just go for the basic concept, then you can do by yourself. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Listen, guys. These channels, I think this is very informative for a children, for a child which is goes to school, college, anywhere. And this is only related with this, basically related with science and mathematics. These channels also provide that general knowledge, current affairs, but this is only based on science and mathematics. So if you want to know something about that science and mathematics, if this video is helpful for you, then you have to like, share and subscribe, please. Okay, thank you.